Okay.
Alec is explaining about the structure that was taken from Midburn and rebuilt over here in Muslala. It offers a very shady and nice corner for small groups to spend time in the summer, and it also hosts a sculpture by
Wibha Galhotra. She had a artist residency here at Muslala this year in the Jerusalem Fellowship Program, and she designed this table from Jerusalem stone that hosts an audio installation. I can actually. I was just working in it, so I stopped it.
Thank you.
Which talks about the connection between man and nature by several religious clerics from Judaism, from Islam, and from also Christian side, and it goes a bit like this. So, what's the sentence?
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أفلا ينظرون إلى الإبل كيف خلقت وإلى السماء
Speaking what?
The altar of the temple, basically. Now,
This is the temple.
This is the temple. This is the altar.
كيف نصبت وإلى الأرض كيف سطحت
And it's supposed to exemplify the sounds of Jerusalem, is right?
Exactly. That's talks. There's songs. There's some speeches. The whole piece is like 45 minutes or something.
45 minutes?
Can like if you want to listen to the whole piece.
No, just okay.
Okay. So yeah, and basically I'm just now trying to build a door for it because in winter it's. What is great in the summer, the wind and the breeze that moves in and out is in winter a disadvantage.
Obviously. Can you fast forward to hear some other sounds that listeners can hear?
משה ואהרון. מה שהוא אומר, מכיוון שאברהם עשה סעודה, אז תן לנו גם מים. מכיוון שיצחק התנהג עם המים בנדיבות לאנשים אחרים, אז תן גם לנו מים. זאת אומרת, המצב המוסרי שלנו, וזה שאנחנו מוכנים לתת לאחרים, מזכה אותנו במתנת האל בגשמים.
It's one of my favorite pieces, this is.
This one?
Love it.